Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Joyce Bunde Talk Show, signing in again for another boom. Don't forget, the woman of saga, the woman of war, the lover of saga. Yes guys, so today we get Auntie Sonia in the building. Auntie Sonia, who's on Auntie Sonia? Don't bring me cash down for you. I want to address Auntie Sonia today. Guys, una no laugh, we must talk about Auntie Sonia. Auntie Sonia, the highest devil for 2-3 media space. You don't say no woman, they no go rest for your hand, Auntie Sonia. Man pick way find himself in between women them. It cause confusion everywhere. It give women the depression. Even picking them, it destroy. The one destroy people they are married. Auntie Sonia. Auntie Sonia, what is the color of your problem? What is your problem? You don't take 3 years or more just for bring Bridget Benjamin down. Yet you never succeed. My people. So this woman powerful for the way we know. You see, say no, you know if you bring it down. Look the kind of person we go mingle with for bring Bridget Benjamin down. The tip of all people. You don't try by your power, you know fit. You don't do all way. You don't go down for the bear. May help you. Maybe use the bear for the bring. But maybe you use the bear for the bring Bridget Benjamin down. You use the bear for bring Bridget Benjamin down. Now which course you never coach Bridget Benjamin? You don't design can fly at them. The one the way you change your face, so the one way you move music for bombo for tilapia. The one way you move na bobia for pobia. Let's say the voice of pobia, let's say the talk say use your number 6. For the TBA platform, just to be Bridget Benjamin die, my people. So Auntie Sonia, you be intelligent man. Why you go sit down for your computer? You only find way for bring now where people then down, you bring women then down. Auntie Sonia, why you go sit down for your computer? You only find way for bring people then down. You don't try all way for scatter API, mama talaku, you know work. You know succeed. You try for scatter kobo, run mama, all them, you know so. Why you dey so? Men, that man picking with a big M, they go out to provide for their family. Real men don't blackmail Auntie Sonia. Real men don't live on blackmail Auntie Sonia. I will see the call this great YouTuber, Wodemaya. Now man picking like you, Auntie Sonia. But look at what he's doing for his community. Just look at what he's doing, Auntie Sonia. It is not for a computer now. It do great things for Africa, for African continent. But see what you do. Man picking way don't carry on. He carry on jacka made a pilam. You be really the devil. You be really the devil, I tell you true. Bridget Benjamin they talk all the time, say now you be the max of behind the T-Beno. I not be the believer. Me so for once, I not be believe her for once. I never believe her until the day when Brenda show. He come out, can bring you out now. I was shocked, I was shocked. I tell you, say, I was so shocked. I said, now, all these wise, so Bridget Benjamin don't talk the truth. The people they did behind the T-Bear. No man will believe them. Auntie Sonia. So if you know say the kind they can reach here. I don't know say you and Big Butuna found herself for this in the midst of this Congo side for women then. Instead for the struggle for the bring the women together. Big Buti there for your own, it crush women them, it body shame them. You there for they do your own worst. Let's say better the Big Boutique. You therefore they design a flyers them. They destroy women their pictures them. Destroy them picking them. They destroy couples their pictures. How you hear them? You don't try for bring mama talaku bring kobos down. No way. Now in the self the son kobos name. This son mama talaku name. But you now for devil kingdom they sound your name. It joke what it is. Auntie Sonia. You be ever know say the day so will come will expose you. You be ever know. Now why the way they talk say? Now why they talk say evil no? It the last now for a while, but the truth will come out one day. Brenda show I say thank you for the great work where they do. Thank you very much for bringing out, for saying the truth and bringing out those devils behind the mask. Bring out the truth. No sugarcoat anything for please anybody. Keep on bringing out the truth. You are a mother. Just say by the truth, Brenda show, and set people free. A shock against Karim. Brenda say I can't wait to use that fake account now. Na koki. Karim. So now you begin that account where you take and you disturb media for Facebook. You disturb Facebook. The cockroach people them. So they tell me be there, may they come out there for their hiding place more na join clean community. Now someone tells me be a face for outside. If be the truth for be behind fake profiles, na their choice. And for battlefield, no na all man they go from front. When so that they go for battlefield, no na all man they go for the battlefield. So when they remain for back, they remain for behind computer they work. They remain for computer to fight the war. So if it be as they choose to remain behind fake profile and fight, let them be, Karim. You will decide for come out with your face. Now be the fight. If you don't tire for fight, go sit down, leave the BI alone. Because they fight for their own way. They take the bullet for their own way. Oh man, so no go fight battle. You know, go battlefield. No. Some people they must remain for back. No man, you just cry for battlefield. They know you just come up go like shimbi. So now leave Beehive alone. Yes, I know say no. So ex-garden and now don't infiltrate Beehive them. They cause havoc. But more Beehive, more na be watchful. Una be watchful. Una be watchful. Yes. My people. Oh, they take bear. You be ever talk say no, they never born no YouTuber way go block me. He joke or it is. How far? You be ever know say your platform go drop this way? Where your video then on a dislike. You and Brenda show na day life. When I get view past you. Your platform has been going down. You be your platform all on lies. Auntie Sone. Una di take blackmail money, una di chop blackmail money. Una think so it. But yet no, una need the progress. After no chop dirty money, una need to see progress. Una di work them, una take the money for dirty way. Una go work genuine work where God go bless una hand. For the genuine work una do am. Una need see am. Auntie Sone, you don't chop blackmail money tire. But your belly is a big na big. It is big na from front. Your belly na only your belly you see am. As Bishop Benjamin talk and say your belly big like 2 shooting goats. Now why your belly the big go from front? Your cannot enter for your toto. Because of blackmail money. Now Bishop Benjamin talk cannot be me oh. For sure say that money na dirty money. Auntie Sone, go find work. Go find work. Because this dirty money where the chop and so no. It be full of cases. I know take you anywhere. And we go pay for that dirty money where the chop. I don't already pay now. It doesn't be no study kind day go come. Auntie Sone, if you ever think study day go come. Dirty bear the higher jiggle of our time. How far? That way mommy be ever put their song say, Father, pour ring for my hand. I never ever believe her more. I never ever believe mommy true. Your friend talks with you. Your coconut seed talks with you. Say now you carry ring go put them for your hand. Say no it to be married. So because if you know it to be married no, you know therefore their platform no, they try for the destroy couples, they try for the destroy married people their lives. You be really that girl where they talk where they sing and say, Father, pull ring for my hand. You be really that girl. Mommy be correct. Pastor, pull ring for my hand. Become me thief, na pikin. Me thief cannot marry you. Now you don't decide to want to put a ring for your hand. My people. Now you don't decide to put a ring for your hand. You did the coach people, They tibe. Now so you see the body shape movement. See yourself. Ya coconut see the coin na crayfish. You the coin na crayfish. And then I don't know some person for your coconut fish he show no. He call. Some person for your coconut fish he show he call. He talks a cockroach beautiful pass you. Cockroach show. You used to coach fat people don't know. You the coach people they say, are you your auntie for real? Now you be that are you your auntie? You see there that for big booty this show occasion. You go dig na are you just in the well and where the Tibe who do you so God and they not like you at all. Until son and the Tibe una change. Because no, it means that go worry. I tell you the truth. Una not change no, una down for. It come and una sheep no must sing. Because the evil the one I want down for this our community no, it don't too much. So God don't raise na arm in the way no, they must stand. They must bring out the truth for set people free. And mona sing, mona stand for our own eyes. So una don't talk so no be for behind whoever they do na dirty things them no. Dirty bear, go school, go learn. Go try, go school, learn, work or work. Try for upgrade. No need use blackmail money for the live your life and you take care for me thief. Because of blackmail money. That one a dirty money. Go work. See, your grandson child can talk say the only achievement where you get them. Now for move me thief. He move me thief if mommy for one where he stay for one room house. He did a Chinese parliament, that one room. They can go for put for 2 rooms. Now the only achievement that the Tibet. I really begin to think say how did he get the license or say don't marry it? One no say no more than love for you normal say go accept you the Tibet. Say me married in Jaka, me right to pick it. No one. Now why they not go carry me took on for your hand? Married is sweet you. How far the Tibet? Hey, how market? It choke or it taste. Try change. No change. She don't for the cause harbor everywhere. The Tibet, crayfish, decimal point, aka decimal point. Now your granddad's Auntie Sonne, you don't hurt this time around. The truth will always remain the truth. As a vigilante may not always talk. Even like you try to sugarcoat your word high, try to bite your tongue, we don't know the truth. We will remember the truth. Auntie Sonne, I see ask to say, see the kind person with go mingle with them, the Tibet of all people. See Bishop Benjamin, the kind of people that they mingle with them. First ladies, great actress and actors like Mama G for Nigeria. See you people you go, see person you go mingle with. The Tibet. My gosh. The Tibet. Auntie Sonne, na your own, you celebrate that. So if it is when you mingle with the Tibet, the Tibet will bring Bishop Benjamin die. Na lie. If they don't win, una go learn work fine. Una go learn work fine for David. Yeah, no, you know fit. Since we don't decide, say no, go find work like other men them. You work for work genuine where they want being a slave for women. They know. Auntie Sonne, you continue for be slave. Una don't cause a lot of pain for this community. Una don't do too much. But God don't talk. Say this is the time for the truth, the time for the truth. God don't delegate Brenda. Brenda will speak only the truth. Yeah, only the truth Brenda will speak. So Brenda, we keep thanking you. And I want to thank all the YouTubers the way they don't stand, put their face out there, take bullets for Auntie Sonne a fake profile there. For the Tibet itself. I want to just thank all una know una self. I don't feel the mention name. I don't feel the mention names them, so they count una. But I want to thank una say for the great job una don't do them. For the great job una don't do. And I want also applaud the beehive them. Then too they don't fight. Even though they don't behind fake profile, they don't fight. If they nobody fight like this, trust me, the Tibet no. If you don't run for street, you nobody go down like the way they go down now so. So I want to just thank the beehive them. And may we keep on. The battle is not yet over, my people. But with God, all things are possible. With God, the battle will soon be over. Yes, so my people. So Auntie Sonne, no, if you not repent, you go continue for being a slave for women them. You hear me? Now so you continue, you remember so. So guys, bye. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, tell friends. That just Bundes. The only Bundesian queen is here again with another bomber to bomber. We moves.